Greetings, dear faculty, parents, and graduates. Talking to you make me feel a sudden rush of emotions, mostly gratitude. This most prestigious title, summa cum laude, does not merely honor my academic excellence. It represents a year of tremendous effort and perseverance, and belief from those who I felt I could be greater when I no longer thought I could. I've had my struggles, my dark times when I doubted my ability and hindered my conscience for my lack of progress. But my family's faith really gave me the strength to pull through those times. They sacrificed, loved, and supported me to reach this point. My guiding lights have been my parents' unending sacrifice for my education, unflinching belief in my ability, and unconditional love. I am grateful that you cultivated my curiosity, fueled my desire to learn, and opened doors to lead me here today. This achievement is not mine. Rather, it represents the great education offered to me at this institution. The faculty members who guided me, motivated me, and challenged me, my limits, your commitment to pedagogy, and your passion for your discipline have made significant contributions to today, developed me into who I am. Thank you for stirring my intellect and aiding me in determining my areas of interest. The paramount importance of education in developing a critical mind, problem solver, and lifelong learning is simply the only means to achieve potential in an individual and develop a better society. To my mentors, your wisdom and guidance have proven to be invaluable. Your faith in me and your willingness to share your experience and knowledge have done to shape me. I am indebted to you for all time. I look forward with hope and enthusiasm into the future. To his success, it is not the end. It reinforced my determination in the pursuit of learning, improvement, and service to humanity. Also, I would like to say to all of you, tackle your challenge with courage, believe steadfastly in your abilities, and let your passions be the guide in your endeavors. So even if the path may be difficult, the reward are beyond all measure. Thank you.